how to remove limit problem easy and fast on Instagram. If you have to remove the limit problem on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that, you have to go to the apps and search for Instagram like this. After that, click on Instagram, click here on force stop, and then go down to the data usage option and scroll down. This is network access options. Make sure that all those options are enabled like this, and then go back, click here on storage. After you click on storage, this is the internal storage options. Right here you will need to click on clear data and clear cache and go back again. And last step you want to do is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, right here you have to click on update to update your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.